My aspirator is driving me crazy. It keeps clogging, the suction is inconsistent, and it's so loud I can barely think.
Hey Dr. Jack, seems like you're having some trouble.
You could say that. I need an aspirator that's reliable, quiet, and won't quit on me in the middle of an experiment.
Well, have I got the product for you? Introducing the iSpirator, the world's first smart green aspirator. The iSpirator has a wireless handpiece that turns on automatically when you pick it up. It maintains a constant, adjustable vacuum level, and the brushless motor ensures quiet operation and long life. Plus, the internal waste bottle sensor prevents overflows and filter clogging.
That sounds impressive. And how long does the battery last?
The iSpirator boasts a whopping 5 hours of continuous use, the most in the market.
This is exactly what I've been looking for. Where can I get one?
You can visit www.imraali.co.uk to purchase the iSpirator.